Hey guys, so this is going to be my very first reaction video, and I'm going to be doing EXO's Woof, the Korean version, and I am so excited for this. I have waited, well, all exotics have waited so long for this to come out, and it finally has, and who isn't excited to see this? I mean, unless you're not an exotic, you wouldn't be excited to see this, or into K-pop, but I'm really excited to watch this. I'm gonna watch the teaser. Looks really good. I've heard a bit of the song, but I haven't heard the whole thing. I just know like the chorus, where they're like, "Kude wolf, ow," like something like that. I don't know. But yeah, let's get started. Why aren't you playing? Chanyeol. Kai has braids. Chris. How? I think his red hair really suits him. Oh, Kai's braids. Seno and his hair so colorful. Big head. Oh my god. Chanyeol. Oh my god, that's so funny. They're like, that anybody can do with them. Seb. Luhan. Bacon. Oh, this looking. Suho with a wolf. Oh, he looks really good. Oh, Dio, his voice. Yay! Shumin, what is it like? 10. Oh, we can't even. Sammy's hair is so colorful. Oh, you go, Kai, and your braids. Oh, he has a tattoo here and I don't know what it says. Dear's voice. Chris's eyes were bright red. Bacon. Oh, you go, Suho. Oh, Chanyeol. I can't even take his voice. Ooh, Chen. Let's go, boy. That was a weird dance. I can be a wolf too, guys. Oh. Hoon-han moment at the end. Wow, that was a really good video. I really, really like that. Wow. Okay, so basically how I'll be doing these videos is I will react to it, and then I'll talk for a couple minutes. I'll talk about the choreography, the outfits, and the song, and the video. I'll be giving it a rating out of 5. Okay, so let's just start with the song. So, I really like the song. Like, it's really good. I think it really suits them. I don't know why, I have this feeling that all their songs that they do, no matter if they're not a very EXO song, it still really fits all of them. So I really enjoyed the song. I thought it was funny how they don't actually say wolf. They say ulf. They're like, kude ulf, nega ulf. They don't actually say wolf. But you know, that's alright. No biggie. So next, the choreography. I really like the choreography. I think it really fit the song and really just like the overall theme of it, and I thought it worked really well, especially how they changed into like wolves when it went from the first 6 members and then it switched to the other 6 members. Suho came out as a wolf and then he turned like back into a human. I thought that was really cool. And then the outfits. I really like the outfits. I thought they were really like spot on, especially Baekhyun's sleeveless shirt. May I just say, that boy is fine. I probably have to edit that out, but yeah, I really like the outfits. They really fit. There is just one thing I'm a little iffy about is Kai's hair. He has very long braids, like tiny braids like this, all over his head, and I think I'm just a little bit iffy on that. Like, I don't really know how I feel about him with braids. I think it suits him, but I still think it's a little weird seeing him with braids. But that's okay, I can get used to it. And lastly, I'll talk about the video overall in general. I really liked it. I thought it was really good. I totally loved the end of the Hoonhan moment, like the Sehun and the Luhan coming out as wolves together. Like, that was really funny. It was really good too, though. I really liked it. Like, it's really hard to explain. I'm still like fangirling deep down inside, but it was amazing. I really liked how they were kind of like, every time it was a close-up of some of them, their eyes were like bright red. There's just one thing I was wondering about are the teasers. So in teaser number 2, they show, no, it's teaser number 1, they show, oh, excuse me, hiccups, fighting scenes between them, and then in teaser number 2 they show all of them kind of fighting over a girl. And so I don't know if this is the only video they'll release. Maybe they'll release a drama version of it, but if any of you know, please comment down below and let me know, because that'd be very nice. And so rating, I will give it a 4.7 out of 5. There were just some things like, I think it's just give it out of 5. They're like really minor things, like Kai's hair and some of their dance moves that I didn't really like, but overall everything was really good. The dance was really good. There were just a few moves I didn't like. Kai's hair, I'm a little iffy about, but overall everything else is really good. So I think I will just give it a 5 out of 5. I really recommend going and watching this video. So I really hope you enjoyed my reaction, and if you would like me to do other reactions, since this is only my first one, please comment below, and I will try to do as many as I can. Even if I don't know the group that well, I will do my research. Just kidding. I will try to do a reaction to it. I won't like know the members in that group. Like, if I don't know the members in that group, I'll still do a reaction to it. I'll still talk about how I like the song and the choreography and the dance moves. I mean, the choreography and the outfits. So, yeah, thanks for watching.